Asus VivoBook Go 14L410 Ultra Thin Laptop 14F HD Display Intel Celeron N4020 Processor 4GB RAM 64GB eMMC Numberpad Windows 11 Home in S Mode 1 year Microsoft 365 Star Black L410 MAH02 Efficient Intel Celeron N4020 Processor 4M Cache up to 2.8 GHz 14 Full HD 1920 by 1080 Display 64GB eMMC Flash Storage and 4GB DDR4 RAM Windows 11 in S Mode with 1 year. Microsoft 365 Personal included slim and portable 0.72 thin and weighs only 2.87 pounds battery included. USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A USB 2.0 Type A HDMI 1.4 Headphone headset USB transfer speed may vary. Learn more at Asus website. Wi-Fi 5.802.11 AC for speeds up to 3 times faster than Wi-Fi 4.802.11n. Windows 11 in S Mode is a 100% app-based version of Windows where applications are verified and tested for quality on the Microsoft Store. If you want to install an app that isn't available in the Microsoft Store, you'll need to switch out of S Mode for free, which is easy and fast.